In this question we are given an integration and the integration looks difficult but it's very easy in reality. The integration looks complex, so इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन और इसका लोअर लिमिट दिया है 3, अपर लिमिट दिया है 6. इसको हम इंटीग्रेट करेंगे और जो एक्सप्रेशन है हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन का वो है √x डिवाइडेड बाई √9 - 6 प्लस √x dx. So we need to find out the value of the integral. So for finding the value of the integral we can do one thing, that if we are going to solve it in any other way then it will take a lot of time and it may not be doable. But see, if you follow the King's property and if you remember the King's property for this question, then it's a very doable and very easy question. So just we need to remember the King's property for this, and this is also a Wbjee 2025 PYQ. So now check this out. See the question. See, if you see that 6 here is given 6, here is given 3, and see 6 and see 6 plus 3, we know that अगर हम 6 और 3 को प्लस करते हैं तो हमारे पास आता है 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9 और inside the square root we are given 9. So you need to think that you need to click in your mind that the King's rule will be applied here. If you know the King's rule properly then you will definitely understand what I am trying to say. The King's rule states us that for a to b integral f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. See, do one thing. Now see, in this question, now see that we are given 6 and 3. So our lower limit is 3 but the upper limit is 6. So if we are trying to solve it, then do like this. Just do nothing but apply the King's rule. So for this question, it will be still from 3 to 6, but replace x. See, here we have replaced x by a plus b minus x, so we have to replace x here by 6 plus 3, that is 9 minus x, √9 minus x divided by √9 minus x, because here we are already given √9 minus x. Plus you see 9 minus 9 minus x, so it will become √x plus √x. So now do one thing. See, we had initially the equation 1, so let it be the equation 1 is equal to this, and let the equation 2 be this. So from the equation 1 and equation 2 we can add them together. So let's do nothing but just add them together. So we can write that if we are adding this together, it's equation 1 equation 2. So if we add equation 1 and 2, then it becomes like integral of 3 to 6, equation 1 plus equation 2 will become √9 minus x plus √x divided by √9 minus x plus √x dx is equal to integral 3 to 6. See, this will get cancelled with this one, so it will become just dx. So it will become just dx. So it's x from 3 to 6. Oh, and once again, see, we are adding this I and I, so it will become 2i. So 2i is equal to this, so is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 2i is equal to 3 from here implies I is equal to 3 by 2. So the final answer that we are getting here is option number B, that is 3 by 2. So the value of the integration that we got is 3 by 2, and we have solved it very easily using the King's rule. So we need to apply King's rule for this type of questions of integration. Just check that 6 plus 3, if we add them and subtract x, then we are getting this form. So for this type of question, just apply the King's rule.